So, you want to shoot better sunrise and sunset photos. But you don't want to learn all the technicality of it. Well, you're in the right video. You probably tried many times, but don't seem to get the color right. You see this. But your camera took this. Where's the orange sky? Here's how to fix it. For smartphones, select Pro or Expert. Select WB or white balance. Then choose the warmer color temperature. The higher the K, the more red it adds. Focus on the setting sun, and it will lessen exposure time, giving more details to shadow. This is taken with all auto setting. While this, we adjust the WB. And this, we focus on the sun. See the difference? Some phones came with presets. Look for the icon that is a cloud or house. Same thing goes for digital cameras or SLRs. Hit the subscribe button for more video about photography. Share this video if you think it's helpful.